Thought I should say something about mixing the concrete. So what I do is I use a 5-gallon pail, and I basically have two tools. My mixer, and scraping out the bucket sometimes, especially the bottom, and then my trowel for doing all the work. So when I clean my tools at the end of the day, I use about a gallon of water. I do half of it, rub them down with my hands, and then do the other half, because some stuff will stick. And then I dry these off, usually on my pants leg, and set them in an area where they're going to dry more. And then the next day I come in and grab my pail. It's already got 1 gallon of water in. Take it up. Ideally go outside so you're not breathing in the dust. And wear a mask and safety glasses because you don't want anything spattering in your eyes. Be very gentle or careful. Anyways, start mixing, start pouring and mixing. And your hands are going to get dirty. At least the one is you're mixing with. The other one's going to be pouring. And then I get it so it's a little on the stiff side right now. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'll do is I grab another container of water, pour a little bit in, and then I'll trowel it and mix it just right. And then I'll start filling it in. So basically that's my concrete tools. I've done this with pretty much everything I've done. Sometimes the other warning is these 5-gallon pails, half full is pretty heavy. And if you go higher than that, it gets a lot heavier than that even. So put in what you can handle and not hurt your back, and keep the tool use to the minimum so you have less to clean up. Let's get going.